inspiration while going to get into this?
Into this program or into to pick
Uh,
this project?
to pick this project, yes.
Uh, so, like I said in the beginning, I want to study aerospace. So,
Ha,
when I came into this project, I want to do something related to aviation or related to engineering. And then
and
the other group mate in my project was wanted to focus on doing entrepreneurship. So a way of combining those two would be doing something where you can compare companies while also focusing on aviation. So flights are a very good mix of the two.
understood. Yes, it sounds interesting. Okay, let's begin then.
Okay, so this is the two like the automatically filled ones. So these are in India, and
Okay,
then the dates you can pick any date you want. So I'll pick the 11th, and I'll go to the 21st. And then here I can adjust how many passengers I want. Right now I'll do one. So now I'm gonna hit
okay.
search flights. And then up here, this is how you know it's running.
Sorry.
So this symbol up here is how you know that the app is
Okay,
running
okay.
because
Understood.
sometimes it takes a little longer.
It's fine. It's fine.
Yeah.
Any other ideas that you have meanwhile? Okay, let's continue. Do we have the results?
Yeah. So here we
Okay.
have a Gemini summary, which
Hmm.
just summarizes the flights, detailed about the airline's recommendations. So this is
Okay.
the summary right here. And then here we have the different flights. So our first flight is Indigo, which is a connecting flight. It gives you your price in rupees because we're looking at Indian, like into the traveling in India. Then you have your duration here, which is gives you in minutes and gives you in hours and minutes. Gives you your stops, gives
Understood.
you the airline, gives you baggage policies, gives you seat comforts, gives you amenities, and cancellation rules. And then so that's the first flight. And you have second one on Air India, on
Understood.
Indigo, Air India Express, and then it gives you some recommendations. So best overall, the AI analyzes the flights and it gives you what it thinks is the best option for best value, like bang for buck. This is the one it recommends. And then if you care about comfortability, this is the one it recommends. And then here it's the same outputs, just like made into like a little ticket type UI. So it's a lot nicer to look at than reading these ones. But this gives you a little more information.
Understood.
Then up
It's like,
here, sorry.
I know you continue.
So then up here you have your chat bot, so we can ask it some questions. So I'll ask it which ticket is the cheapest, and then it says the cheapest is Air India, and so that'll be the cheapest. What is the baggage policy on Air India? Directly India.
Really nice work on the UI, by the way.
Thank you very much. So here
Looks
you have
simple. Yep.
so now you have it gives you some overviews of the baggage policy, excess baggage, international flights, fare types, infant baggage, special baggage. Gives
Okay.
you some like tips to double check everything. And then there's also built into the code is a limiter on what you can ask. So we can only ask aviation related questions. So if I ask something completely out of its scope, it will not respond. So I could do something like who is Superman? What is Superman's real name? And see, the
Oh,
assistant only answers about flights, airlines, air and travel related questions. So it limits what you can ask it.
understood. So it's catered to a specific problem. That's nice.
Yes. And then up here we have a little drop down, which is just about AeroScout. So it tells
Mm.
us what the app is about, using which APIs are used, tells you the basics of what we can do on it. And now another ability we have is the ability to change currencies based on which country you travel to. So here we traveled, our flights are in Indian airports, so Delhi and Bombay. So we can change this to I-8, which is in Houston, and LAX, which is in Los Angeles. We can
Mhm.
search for flights.
All right. I like the UI that you did for the tickets, by the way. It looks cool. Looks nice.
Thank you.
Yep.
And the
Meanwhile,
UI, oh, sorry,
yeah,
you go.
yeah, you continue.
So the UI also changes based on which, your computer settings. So my computer's on dark mode, which is why we have this
Okay,
dark UI. But if you're on a light mode, it'll give you a light version of UI as well. So
understood.
now I have the IH to LAX, which are both American airlines, and now we have price in USD. And the price goes for many countries. So
And so based on the region that you're selecting on your flights on, the currency changes accordingly.
yes.
That's a nice feature to your this. It looks really interesting, by the way. I had a word with a mentor as well, and
Mhm.
he complimented you on your this willingness to learn. You were always disciplined and you did great work in the team as well. So yeah, that was something. What would you say about a mentor, by the way? How was the experience in